My African roots put me in a whole different place for me to grow up trying to be hot, you see, but racism had me trying to be something other than what I had to be, trying to be strong in me for the whole family, but my mom's understood that moms couldn't do the same things I needed, so I had to go out and get the name cool, with the name Seek and the name in me, the man they gave me, little Reveille, sevenfold had to do, and had to be what became the me, that became the MC, the money chaser, I be the MC, I gotta be. Nowadays I write down what's inside of me. If not, I'll be going insane in the brain like Cypress Hill was to the name in the game when I gang bang. Way back though, now I'm living on a whole new track, yo. Got kids to feed, got whole new needs, got bills and shit. Gotta be dope with the responsibility. Gotta be the dude I got to be, the mouth to feed. Father, I am the nigga I can be. Niggas wanna be something like an army, but the army around me always got me. Same as the niggas know the name in me. Rain on your whole fucking life. Your parade ain't doing the same things. Bugs are sprayed, raid every day. Yo, SWAT team though. Niggas know they ain't playing no more. Imagine I gotta go to the next level. Future I'm going though like a jet, yo. Flying over everybody wanna do the same. Put you on a casket, yo, this the cane. When I came I spoke like McLean. That's why I got no boat, you know. Yeah, the joke with the little ticks in the politics, yo, not the same, no. Only give a fuck about the niggas that I know. That's my life, though. Living for show. SBP, bro, yes, that's us, though. Niggas know they mad that they not us, yo. We don't give a fuck, yo. We still pass, though, on our 64. 65, 5, 6s, hards and softs. Niggas know y'all niggas will get hauled off. Niggas ain't soft. Free my nigga Gucci. The G, the U, the double CI. Free my nigga Gucci. SVP, my nigga. Holla.